Hey guys, my name is Shupriyo. I am a computer science engineer. Currently here in Udemy, I have over 10 courses and more than 19,000 students have enrolled in these courses. And about me, I have equal passion both for programming and designing. I also like to listen music, soft music you can say. Okay, so that's a short introduction about me. Now, regarding this course introduction, I would like to mention one thing, that is, here in this course, I have included all the programming skills that I have learned in my career. Each and every tips and tricks are shared here. And also, every little concept is explained in detail. This course is made for those who want to learn programming from scratch and also for those who want to increase their programming skills. This course includes everything starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Jquery, Ajax, Bootstrap, PHP, WordPress, and also some in depth topics are discussed here, like Jquery DOM manipulation, Jquery Ajax, then CSS animations, CSS transformations, then how you can create WordPress multi site. Well, these are some advanced topics. If you are not familiar with these, I recommend go slow, start from scratch, and also we'll be doing various interesting projects which will be having cool features also. So that's it, guys. This is all about my intro and this course intro also. Now, I would also like to know about you, your expectation from this course. This will help us to know each other better. So, what you can do is, if you have already enrolled in this course, you can create a discussion stating your name, from where you are, and what is your expectation from this course. And another thing, you can start taking lectures, and if at any point you face any issue understanding some concept, you can always feel free to let me know. I am always here to clear your concept. Here I am concluding my introduction. So that's it, guys. Wish you all the best for your career.